The second function of kidney is to maintain the ionic balance in the body. Let us see how kidney regulates the balance of ions. The major ions are sodium ions. If there is decrease in sodium ion level in the interstitial fluid, this decrease in the sodium ion level, it stimulates the cells in afferent arterioles of kidney cortex. We have done. This is kidney. Kidney has two layers. The outer layer is called the cortex and the inner layer is called medulla. Now the nephrons which are located in the cortex and the afferent arteriole, which is bringing the oxygenated blood to them, decrease in sodium ion level in the kidney. It stimulates the cells in afferent arterioles. कौन से afferent arterioles of kidney cortex? They produce a protein called renin. If there is decrease in sodium ion level, it will stimulate the cells of afferent arterioles of kidney cortex, and these cells will produce a protein called renin. Now this renin converts a protein angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Liver produces a protein in inactive form. Jan लगा है तो this is inactive. A protein which is produced in inactive form by the liver, angiotensinogen, it gets converted to its active form, angiotensin, in the presence of this enzyme renin. Renin converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Now this angiotensin, it acts upon the adrenal cortex. Adrenal gland which is present at the top of the kidney, उसको stimulate करती है, and this gland produces aldosterone. Aldosterone is a hormone which acts upon the cells of ascending limb of loop of Henle. This was the loop of Henle. This is the descending limb and this is the ascending limb. This hormone aldosterone acts upon the cells of ascending limb of loop of Henle, and they increase the reabsorption of sodium ions, and this is how the absorption of sodium ions, it brings osmotically equivalent amount of water. Absorption of sodium and water increases blood volume and it also increases the blood pressure. This whole process is also known as RAS, RAAS, that is renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, and this maintains homeostasis. Homeostasis is the balanced internal environment. Let us repeat. Decrease in the sodium ion level in the body fluid, it stimulates the cells of the kidney cortex and they produce a protein called renin. Renin converts a inactive protein angiotensinogen into active form angiotensin. This protein is produced by liver. Now angiotensin stimulates the cells of adrenal cortex to produce a hormone called aldosterone, which acts upon the cells of ascending limb of loop of Henle to increase reabsorption of sodium ions. This is how the decrease in sodium ion level is maintained. The amount of sodium ions level is maintained in the body by their increased reabsorption, and this whole procedure is called RAS, that is renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, which is required to maintain homeostasis in the body.